to another amazing video that I have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, this is actually my very first hair extension video ever! Yeah! If any of you have been watching my channel, you know that I am an avid wig wearer and lover. But I also like my hair. What I really love is with hair extensions is that I can still rock out my sassy little bob, and then anytime I want with my real hair, just add some clip-in extensions to lengthen it whenever I want easily. I have these amazing hair extensions from Amazing Beauty. I, of course, will leave all the links down below for this. Here's actually the cool box that it comes in, really great and pretty. So I actually have the biggest set that they carry, which is 220 grams. The reason why I chose the biggest set is because since I do have short hair, I really need a lot of hair to actually make it look like that it's my hair. I feel like if you really wanted to get like the 100 grams or, you know, the 80 grams or something that's smaller, the real purpose of those, I feel, is just to add volume to your current length. The 220 grams of hair extensions in the 22 inches. Yay! Oh my gosh, I love it. So when you get it, it actually comes already bundled up. It feels like it's the same hair from the top to the bottom, so it's not scraggly. That's actually a big issue, and you're never really sure when you get hair extensions if it's actually gonna be a continuous piece or if it will, you know, just be scraggly at the end, because we don't want that. As a little bonus, when I opened this box, I was thrilled because it came with 3D eyelashes. Oh my gosh, so exciting. And then it also came with a comb. And then it does come with 2 extra clips if you need to fix or repair your clips. What we're gonna do with this video, this is actually gonna be a 2-parter. Since my hair is actually very platinum right now, it's actually a little cool than I prefer, because I literally just did it. And this is platinum, but this isn't like clearly a super platinum. So I'm actually going to show you how I'm gonna easily and quickly just correct this using Fanola products, which I'm absolutely in love with. So I'm actually gonna just give her like a little toning bath by just using a shampoo, which is really great, so it will not damage her at all. So I'm gonna actually put these in so you can see what it looks like with this hair tone color, and then we're gonna give her a little soak, like in between this and that. And then I'm gonna put them back in so you can see the final result. Taking them apart as single pieces, really impressed at the thickness and the softness of each of these pieces. So you can see it as, this is like one piece. You can see that it's really great of the density from the top to the bottom, so be very natural. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. These are made really well, I can tell, because I've actually had quite a few hair extensions in my days. Okay, so first step, I'm actually gonna kind of speed this through with putting these in so we can get a real feeling of 220 grams. And just like that, 220 extra grams of hair on my head. Now, like I said, I just kind of threw these on. I'm not sure if I'll use the same placement as what I just put them on. I may, you know, adjust it so it looks a little bit more fuller on the sides versus the back. So here's that. I mean, this is so great. It feels so good. I cannot wait to tone these. So now we're gonna give this girl a little soak. We're gonna soak her in a little Fanola no yellow shampoo bath. And the Fanola is a vegan formula. It is honestly, it's a platinum girl's dream. You must get it. And also what I like about it is that it can tone your hair or extensions without putting any chemicals on it. Who doesn't love that? So let's go with the next steps on toning these extensions. Alright, so here is the finished product. I just got done blow drying these gorgeous girls, and I feel like they are a perfect tone of really like a champagne toning that I really prefer. But I'm gonna put these guys in right now, and then next you'll see the finished product. I am absolutely in love. These are perfect. I cannot wait until my hair warms up just a tad, then it will be absolutely flawless. So a little recap about what I have on my head from Amazing Hair. I have the 22-inch clip-in extensions in platinum and 220 grams of amazingness. I've had many hair extensions over the years, and I will tell you from putting these in, I actually put them in a different way, which I feel is best for me right now. From putting them in, the clips actually feel extremely secure, actually more than some of the other hair extensions that I've tried before. It's not bumpy, it just feels like really on my hair. I don't know what the clips are or what the difference is, but it feels great. And thank you all for watching this amazing tutorial on how to tone down some amazing hair extensions and make them your perfect hair color at home. So let me know if you have any amazing hair extensions from this company. I would love to know and to see you in them. Of course, check me out on Instagram. Great way for you to send me your photos of you and your extensions and your amazingness. And I want to thank you, and we will see you